Introducing Wuerth's new range of Flatblade Pro windscreen wipers. These new wipers have an innovative, durable coating providing extreme performance. Advanced multi-fit clips ensure high vehicle coverage. Simple and fast installation get the job done and out the door. To fit the Flatblade Pro windscreen wiper, measure the existing blade to determine the length required. Always remember to protect the windscreen from damage when replacing the blades. The Flatblade Pro windshield wiper comes with a range of innovative clips to suit nearly all vehicle applications. To fit the wiper, remove the old wiper from the vehicle and select the correct wiper blade clip. Next, fit the clip to the new wiper blade, making sure you hear the click sound, which indicates that the clip has been fitted correctly. Then fit the blade to the vehicle. The new Wuerth Flatblade Pro wiper ensures easier and simpler installation. Whisper Quiet, a durable special coating, and an easy to install system means that this wiper will be your favourite one yet. The Wuerth Flatblade Pro windscreen wiper, a further enhancement to the Wuerth wiper range.